Hello, I'm in a 2015 Buick Encore, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, to make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and everything's booted up. And then from here, we'll do this configuration button. And then here we can scroll as needed to scroll to phone settings, and then we'll select that. And then on Bluetooth, we can select that. And then there's a limited number of devices you can have stored, so you might need to delete one first before adding a new one. So let's see the device list. There are some open slots, but let's say we want to delete one. We'll delete this. We can go now to delete. And yes, so that's now deleted. And then we can go back here, and now from here on this pairing menu, we'll do pair device, select. And then from your phone, make sure that your Bluetooth is on, which this now is. And if you press and hold it, it'll pull up a pairing menu. So from here, it might take a few minutes or a few tries to restart your phone and whatnot, but we're gonna watch for this vehicle to pop up. And then once it does pop up, it's gonna have some random numbers for us to confirm. So it just popped up, Buick Encore. So now it's starting to pair, and then it actually changed the numbers, so it's these new set of numbers, and you can sync up your calls and messages if you'd like. Makes it easier for taking calls while you drive. And that should be it. So this is synced on this end, and now it shows my phone name up here. So now you can take calls, typically listen to music, things like that. On newer models, you might also be able to sync up maps and that sort of thing. And if you're having an issue playing your music from your phone, first make sure the volume's on your phone as you're playing your music, and then you can toggle through your source here to eventually find your music. So from your home options, we can go through that. Oh, it says the radio is turned off, so that's also could be an issue, so you want to turn your radio on and then toggle between your sources until you get to that Bluetooth. So I turned the radio on, and then I went through sources, and I went on Bluetooth. So same thing, to make sure your volume is on. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.